Alright, so how to enable hotspot. You want to use the package disabler, disabling all three after searching tether. That's enabled. That's disabled in red. Then go to your settings, connections, hotspot. Turn on Wi-Fi sharing. Go back to Wi-Fi. Pick a network and put in the incorrect password. Connect. I like to let it fail. Then tap again to connect. Go back to your hotspot and turn it on. You can then disconnect from the Wi-Fi. I myself, since you have it already set up with a Wi-Fi that fails, you can then just, after me disabling the everything, you can then just enable Wi-Fi, wait for it to illuminate, then enable your hotspot. Hope that helps you guys.